I didn't realize how anything loses glasses were used. I started fixing them myself. This little repair kit has basically everything I need in one place. Tiny screws, noise pads, different tips, all neatly organized, so you need nothing for pads. What I really like is the magnetic screwdriver. It actually grabs the screw instead of dropping it, which saves a ton of time and frustration if you use it in sunglasses, regular glasses, even small electronics around the house. The case is compact, so I just keep it in a drawer or throw it in my bag when I travel. It's one of the choice things you don't think about it until you need it, and then you're really glad you have it. Oh, and by the way, this kit was actually a gift, which makes it even better.